Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm gonna do a room tour. That's why I'm over here in like my little corner. So this is my door. This is pretty much what you walk into. I have a latch on the door just because my cats try to get out and they're not allowed out of the room. So this is what you see when you walk in. It's still kind of a mess. I kind of cleaned it. So this is as clean as you get. So once you walk in, you see a beanbag chair, and my cat, hi. So a beanbag chair, which I use for when I do my homework stuff, like SAT books and everything. My gaming center and like my camera. So like my camera's right there. DS games, Switch games, some books I want to read, and my Wii games. And then my cat supplies in these two, so cat food, cat deodorant stuff, a air freshener, wet cat food, treats, and then toys. Then up there is just a whole bunch of storage stuff that I have to get rid of. The trash, my cat, a box, some purses, a hat that I got in Canada, I think. Some purses I use. This is one of the purses I have, and then the other one's over there. Sorry, this is like a lot, you guys. Oh my goodness. So then that's more storage up there, and like my socks and underwear. But like my knitting stuff is right there. My old radio I have still, like a blanket just in case. This is where I keep like my my wallets. Some shirts that I don't really wear that are long sleeve, and then all my shirts that I have, short sleeve, that's the word. My guitar, some old boxes I don't use, so a cat cage just in case, shorts, leggings, and there's boxers like right on top of it. My John Lennon poster, my nail polish, a cat bed, my other cat that's drinking water, my makeup stand, and my makeup table, and my Canon camera right there. And then more like hair stuff, lotion, nail polish stuff, some eyeshadow palettes, and a garbage can. And then my recording chair. And then this I want to do a video on separately, but this is like all my antique stuff that I have, and these are like my 3 dolls that I love and treasure forever. My cat, say hello, Bella. Say hello. Hi. Hi, baby. And my desk that I never use, that's like literally nothing in it. And then my old makeup chair. Nothing's in here because a lot of it's broken. So that's the annoying part. Cat litter, don't want to see that. A cat scratcher. My TV I don't really use. I got it like a really long time ago. My Xbox that I use a lot, pretty much. I have just 2 games like for CD types, and these are the 2 that I have, Gears of War and Shadow of War. So those are my 2 games that I use. My Switch game, my controller, a flashlight just in case if we lose power ever, my scooper for the cats, my cat looking out the window in her little chair. It's very nice out right now, so I might go outside later. My air humidifier. This desk is always a mess. I always try to clean it, but it just ends up a mess. So that's like my tattooing rag that I need to wash, some slime I've made, tissues, some slime in the corner, and then my little picture wall of dollars, like these 3 down here are dollar store ones that I've got. And then my family portrait of me, my dad, my mom, and my best friend. She's probably gonna watch this and be like, hey, that's me. So then this is more school stuff, and then my tattoo stuff's down there. But my school stuff is pretty much all right there. And then more pictures of my dad, my mom, me, all of that stuff. All that good, beautiful stuff. Then a Heineken clock that was my ex's, but I still haven't taken it down. Two posters. So this one is like a sticker. It says, our family is like the branches of a tree. We may grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. And there's 3 little stickers like feathers, and there's more stickers down there with feathers. And then the next one is, the best thing in life are the people we love, the places we've been, and memories we have made along the way. And then this is my bed. I did make it last night, but I didn't have time to make it when I was filming this video. So I just keep a book on the edge of my bed. And right now I'm reading this, Girl in Pieces by Kathleen Glasgow, I guess. This is the back if you guys want to read it. It's such a good book. It's about like kids who self-harm and like how it is in the real world, about how they get better. Cat food and cat, like the water. Don't know why this is like that, but so my phone, more blankets, a pillow that I just got and I'm in love with. It feels so soft. More pillows. Then over here I have my laptop desk. Another desk right here so I can keep like my water on it or anything. My vape. Sit down over here. My clock. My other picture of me and my best friend. 3 candles that I sometimes light. A sleeping oil. Water, and my Switch. Right now I am playing Harvest Moon. If you guys know this game is literally my life right now and I love it to death. A garbage can. That's all that's pretty much over here. My tiki masks that I've got in Italy, I think Venice, I'm not sure. Venice and the Bahamas. And this desk is also always messy, but we just love a messy girl, don't we? So this is my YouTube book. I keep all my ideas in here. There's multiple ideas that I want to do sometime soon, hopefully. This is a bracelet that I've been working on, that it has like a rainbow on it. Let's see if I can make it a little bit brighter for you guys. That's what it looks like. And then this is my desk. I have a whole bunch of skulls up here because like I'm addicted to skulls for some reason. I need to get more, but this is my only collection I have for now because I buy them usually during like Halloween when I go to Michael's because they're always like half off. Some of my antique posters from like the 90s and the 80s, 70s, around there. Some vape juice, a candle that's all the way back in the second one over there, and some school supplies. And right here and right here are diamond paintings that you might have seen around. This one's one of them, but you might have seen them on like Instagram. If you have Instagram, you like fill it in with diamonds or like crystals they give you. It's very time consuming but kind of satisfying to do. So matches, some putty I play with during like class and everything because I get very anxious during class. Some notebooks I don't really use anymore. Some lotion, some other stuff that I probably need to throw away. 2 candles that I don't really use very much. My Illuminati little coin holder thing that I made a little while ago. Some quotes. My dad and my grandmother that passed away around 4 years ago. This is the chair. Oh, I almost fell. This is the chair she gave me before she passed away. So I just use it for my backpack. And I try to let the cats, like, not sit on it because they, I don't know if you can see it, but they kind of wrecked it a little bit, so it's kind of annoying. But besides that, I keep some shirts on it, so a towel that I use, a purse that I use a lot too, and some notebooks. And then oh, you can see me in the reflection. Hi. Oh, I just yawned. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so tired. So this is just my whiteboard I use when I work, or when I used to work. I had to quit because of graduating. Another cat bed that I have multiple of. My messy refrigerator, and not much is in it, just Coke. But yeah, and then my magnets, Catitude, Vape Nation, Pride sticker, my cat, and a crazy cat lady sticker. And then my calendar, but it's sadly still on April. And then some paintings so I made this one, I made that one, I got that one, I got that one, and that one, and then I got this one from my uncle, and then I made that one. And then here is the door again. I have a lot of duct tape around it, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. I'm sorry it was kind of a mess and all over the place, but I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked my room, that it's kind of a mess right now. I'm still sorry about that. It's literally the cleanest it will get. Oh well. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below what you want to see next. Comment down below how messy your room is. I don't know why the camera is tilted, but comment down below like how messy your room is, so I don't have to feel as bad as I do with my room. But yeah, in no reason I am trying to brag. I'm not trying to brag at all. I just wanted to show you what my room looked like, and yeah. So I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys next week on hopefully a Monday. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.